Hello friends, myself Abhishek YS. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering of CSE department in 4th semester. I am going to explain the concept of pointer aliasing. The contents we are going to learn in this PPT is what is pointers, what is pointer aliasing, examples of pointer aliasing, and advantages and disadvantages, and conclusion. Now let us see what is pointers. Pointers is a variable that pointer stores the memory address of the another variable as its value. A pointer variable points to the data type of the same type and is created with a symbol operator called as star or asterisk. Let's see the simple example for adding two numbers using pointers. Here's the program for adding two numbers. Here initially we have created the function called as add by passing two parameters of data type integers x and y. Here we are going to add the x and y values and storing in res and returning the result. In main method, we are initializing the two variables a and b of data type integers and assigning the value of 10 for both. And we are calling the function add, which we have initially created, and the result will be sent from the function will be stored in result. Finally, we are printing the result. The output will be sum is 20. Your 10 plus 10 is 20. Let's move on. Now let us see what is pointer aliasing. A pointer aliasing is a hidden kind of data dependency that can occur in C or C++ or any other languages that uses pointers for array address in arithmetic operations. Let us see, for example, if a function takes two pointers A and B which have the same value, then the name A of 0 aliases the name B of 0. That is, we can say that the pointers A can alias with each other. The two pointers are said to be allies when they point to the same address. If you write to one pointer, it will affect the value you read from the another pointer. In a function, the compiler often doesn't know which pointer can alias and which pointer can't. The compiler must be very specific and assume that any write to the pointer may affect to the value read from another pointer, which can significantly reduce code efficiency. Now let us see the same example which I have taken previously. Now we are using pointer aliasing. The same function has been added here. Add and passing two parameters of data type integers x and y. Adding both x and y, and result will be stored in res. It will return the res. In main method, we are going to assign only single variable data and assigning the value. Here, when we call the function, we are passing the address of the data for the both the parameter x and y. In previous example, we are passing two addresses for different values. Here we are passing single address for both the values. It's the main difference in pointer and pointer aliasing. And the result will be same, output will be same, that is sum is 20. Let us see the difference between pointer and pointer aliasing. We are going to taking the both same program which I taken previously. In here, in main method, in pointers, we are passing two different address, that is address of A and address of B for function call. But in pointer aliasing, we are passing single address, that is address of the data for both the parameters. and all the function will be same in the program. The main difference is passing parameters, that is passing address. Both the output will be same, that is sum is 20, which we have given previously. This is another simple example. The following function increments two timer values by a step amount. That is, we have created the function called as timers v1 and passing the parameters of the type integers timer 1 and timer 2 and steps. Here what this program going to this function going to compile is set of instructions, that is LDR R3 of R4 R0 assigning value of 0. This is the intermediate value, and R12. We are going to assign the R12. Now let us see the advantages of the pointer aliasing. Memory efficiency. Aliasing allows the multiple pointers to access the same memory allocation. That can be beneficially when you want to conserve memory, as it's avoid a duplicating data. Instead, multiple pointers can reference and manipulate the same data, reducing the memory consumption, in which we can save the memory in this pointer aliasing, but we can't save in pointers. Data sharing and communication. Pointer aliasing enables efficient sharing of data between different parts of program. By using aliases, you can pass pointers between functions or modules, allowing them to access the modified shared data. In this, the data will be shared for both the variables by passing the same address value to the both the variables which we want to use. Next one is flexibility and dynamism. Aliasing provides flexibility in managing and manipulating data. Pointers can be reassigned to different memory allocations, allowing for dynamic data structures and efficient memory management. This flexibility can be especially used in scenarios like data structure, linked list, and dynamic memory allocation. Let us see the disadvantages of the pointer aliasing. That readability and debugging. The aliasing can make code for complex and harder to understand, read, and maintain. When multiple pointer aliases the same memory location, it becomes difficult to track which pointer modifying the data, leading to potential bugs and errors. Performance implications. Pointer aliasing can negatively impact performance, especially in scenarios where optimization techniques like compiler optimization and caching are free. Aliasing introduces a potential for unexpected data dependencies, making it harder for compiler to optimize the code and utilize hardware resources efficiently. Safety and correctness. Aliasing can lead to unintended side effects and data corruption. If multiple pointers aliases the same memory location and modified concurrently, it can result in data races, inconsistency, and undefined behavior. Finally, we can conclude that overall the pointer aliasing can provide advantages like memory efficiency and data sharing. It also introduces challenge, that is disadvantage, related to code reliability, performance, safety, and correctness. It means both the advantages and disadvantages both are there in the pointer aliasing. It is essential to understand the implications of pointer aliasing and use appropriate technique to manage it efficiently in order to strike a balance between the benefits and drawbacks. That's all about the topic. Thank you.